Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize quick settings panel on REALME GT8 Pro smartphone. First of all, let's pull down the panel and then tap the edit icon right here. Tap got it, and then if you want to add a tile to your control center, tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen and then select a tile that you want to add. Then you can also change the position of this tile by moving it on the moving it along the control center. And if you want to remove any of these elements or any of these tiles, you can just tap the minus icon in the top left corner of the tile and then add something else here instead. Just select what you want to add, for example camera, and then tap done. You can also rearrange tiles right here by holding your finger down on the tile and then moving it along the screen. And this way you can replace tiles and then tap done to apply settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.